Our nation's history and the spaces it occupies are connected to who we are and how we see ourselves. What we preserve in this moment says more about who we are as a society than anything else. I am Monica Rhodes, and I'm a preservationist. Preservation embodies the historical truths that our nation holds close. It's our national identity, and there are major gaps in our story. In fact, only 8% of sites listed on the National Register of Historic Places are connected to women and people of color. My work is focused on diversifying the preservation field, the practice, and the practitioners. Those efforts have touched millions across the country. Because preservation is participatory, efforts must move beyond conversations into action to increase cultural competency and full representation at every level. The creation and stewardship of a more equitable past is the greatest gift we can give to the next generation.